Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Guess what? So today we're going to be talking how I saved $402 on my 6-month auto premium. Are you excited? I'm excited. That's almost $800 a year in savings. Stay tuned. So the way that I was able to save over $400 on my car insurance is by taking my own advice. And I did that by doing what I said I was planning on doing. I did a video back in March, and I will put that up in the cards. And the video was, what can I do to save some money during this time? The stay home and stay safe orders. Well, so one of the things was to call your insurance company and see if there's any kind of a discount that you can get, because obviously you're not driving anywhere, so why would you be paying your full premium, right? So I had emailed, and I got a response, and I was given $83 in savings. So right there, I was excited. $83, that's my charter bill. I don't know about you, but my charter bill is outrageous, and there's nothing that I can do to lower it. I've tried, and something I don't want to talk about. It's one of my to-dos. I'm trying to figure out if the other option is CenturyLink, if it's worth it in my area, but that's it. That's another video, okay? But there, I was able to save $83. So while I was able to save $83, it got me into thinking, what else can I do? And so that's when I'm thinking in my brain, I'm like, well, I should be shopping around my insurance. So I shopped around my insurance, and I previously had Geico, which I enjoyed, and by enjoying means, they insured my car. So I have nothing negative to say regarding having insurance with Geico. I had gotten an fender bender back, which made my insurance go up, so that was kind of poop. But that was 2 years ago, so it's getting close to where it should be almost coming off of my record. I think it's like after 3 years it doesn't affect you as much, and 5 years is when it actually gets fully taken off your driving history. But other than that, 30 years old, I've never gotten a speeding ticket or anything like that. That's the only thing that my Mickey Mouse deal on my driving record. But anyways, so by checking out other quotes, I was able to actually notice that I could save even additional money by switching to Progressive. And so Progressive, the 6-month policy was actually $200 less than what I was paying right now with Geico, and that included the $83, so it was $300 less. And I was pretty excited because I'm like, yeah, why wouldn't I do that? And then the one thing that I was hoping to save up for next year, I actually looked, and I noticed that if I were to pay off my insurance premium this full 6 months, they would give me an additional $100 off. And I'm like, what? So what you're telling me is, if I had the money, I could essentially pay off my entire 6-month premium and save $300. If you include the Geico, what I was paying before, a total savings of $402. What? Insanity. Like, I could not believe, I was overpaying that much. $402 for a 6-month premium that I was overpaying? Crickets, y'all. Crickets. Because that's over $800 a year. in savings. Over $800 a year in savings if I were to just pay it in full. Hello? Why wouldn't I? So at the same time, this was when I was in the middle of refinancing my home. I'll put the cards up above. And what I decided was I was going to apply my part of my July mortgage payment that I would have originally done to my insurance, including my escrow account. So I had a little bit back from my escrow and my July mortgage. So what I did is I set myself up for 2020, y'all. I finished up some of my main sinking funds, and I paid off my and I paid for my 6-month insurance. Y'all, I am so excited. I don't know if you guys are, but I'm so excited to get that feeling of having to pay my insurance every month. So right now, my only monthly bills are my subscriptions, my mortgage, my utilities, I get one bill, and my son's schooling. Everything else is sinking funds. And, well, cash envelopes, because I actually have basically finished all my sinking funds for the year with my mortgage payment that I was going to give in July because I refinanced, and the escrow. So now I'm just doing sinking funds for my insurance, and so come January, I'll have it all paid for. Are you excited? I mean, you don't have to be excited, but I'm pumped. I feel the most at ease right now with my monthly bills. So right now, just working on getting my internet one down. But other than that, I'm pumped. I cannot believe, basically, I'm saving $800 a month. Excuse me, $800 a year on car insurance just by switching. So my takeaway for you is to always see if there's an additional discount that you can do, and then shop for car insurance every 6 months. It doesn't hurt, and honestly, it was so easy to switch. I paid off my 6-month. I called Geico and I let them know the last day I wanted to be covered, and I made sure there was no lapse. I paid for an extra day to not have a lapse in any kind of insurance, and I'm set, y'all. I am set. I'm set. I'm excited. I feel like I'm winning, and so hopefully this kind of lights a little fire under your butt to not just be content with whatever you're paying, because you could always be paying less, and not for less coverage, just less, because there's always going to be someone who's going to charge you more. And if you're willing to do the work, you will see that you can probably find a better discount somewhere else. And so another thing that I always recommend, if you haven't been doing it yet, is to download Rakuten. Just an FYI, that has nothing to do with my insurance, but I added it to my browser, and I bought some of my son's school clothes and saved me like $40. So Rakuten is also a good one to do. That has nothing to do with the insurance, but I always got to throw that out there. I'll go ahead and I'll link my Rakuten information below. If you sign up, and you actually buy something, you get some cash back. I think it gives you like $10 for yourself, plus whatever you would already be making. But anyways, I'll let you go. Have a fabulous day and keep on budgeting. Please like, share, and subscribe.